This AI hack literally spies on your competitors 24/7 and then emails you a full report every single week. I'm talking what they posted, what they changed, what offers they launched, and even the opportunities and threats you should act on automatically. And the craziest part, it takes like 2 minutes to set up. This thing basically becomes your personal intelligence team for free. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up, how to make it track any niche and any competitor profile, and then we'll run it using some example competitors so you can see how scary good it is in real time. If you've ever wanted a tool that literally watches your competitors while you sleep, you're going to love this one. All right. So before we jump into the setup, let's talk about what this thing actually does. Imagine having an assistant who wakes up every week, checks everything your competitors are doing, their websites, their social media, their offers, their content, literally everything, and then sends you a full report. That's what this AI hack is about. It scans your competitor's online activity, compares what changed since last week, pulls out the most important updates, and turns it all into a clean 60-second email summary. A breakdown of each competitor, 3 strategic insights labeled opportunity or threat, and, even crazier, a ready-to-post LinkedIn thought leadership post based on the most significant move of the week. So, yeah, basically a private intelligence assistant for free. And the cool part? This works for any niche. Fitness coaches, real estate agents, marketers, e-com owners, consultants, doesn't matter. You just paste your competitors' URLs, and the AI handles everything else. So, the first thing we need to do is actually set up this automation inside ChatGPT. And the whole magic starts with one single prompt, which is already added in the description below if you want to use it. This is the thing that tells ChatGPT exactly what to do every week without you touching anything. So, here's how it works. You just copy the full prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and hit enter. That's it. The only thing you need to change in the prompt is the URLs of your competitors, and literally any public link works. LinkedIn profiles, Instagram pages, YouTube channels, their main websites, whatever they're active on. In my example, I plugged in 4 digital marketing competitors, all LinkedIn profiles, but your niche can be totally different. Fitness coaches, realtors, consultants, SaaS founders, agencies, personal brands, doesn't matter. So to use it, I just changed the URLs, which means your competitors' profile links, and that's it. From here on, the AI will automatically run your weekly scan without you touching anything. The prompt sets up a weekly recurring task like every Sunday at 9 a.m. or whatever time you choose, and tells ChatGPT to scan your competitor websites and social media, collect every important update, turn it all into a 60-second email summary, pull out the top 1 or 2 changes per competitor, write an intelligence brief explaining what those updates mean, give you 3 strategic insights, and create a 200-word LinkedIn post based on the biggest move of the week. Literally, you're teaching ChatGPT to become your personal market analyst. So go ahead, paste the prompt in, and as soon as you run it, ChatGPT will start setting everything up automatically. Okay, now here's the part people usually miss. The moment you paste this automation prompt into ChatGPT, it's going to stop and ask you to connect your Gmail. Don't panic, this is normal. ChatGPT needs Gmail access so it can actually send you the weekly competitor report. So here's what to do. Go to Settings, then go to Apps and Connectors, and click on Gmail. Hit Connect, and grant permission. And once that's done, ChatGPT will also say something like, do you want to enable email notifications for this task? Make sure you toggle that on, otherwise the automation runs but you never get the reports. Once Gmail is linked, the whole system becomes hands-free. Now, once everything is set up, the prompt is in, Gmail is connected, notifications are on, competitors added, here's where the magic happens. ChatGPT immediately sets up the weekly automation for you. It literally shows you the schedule, tells you the rule it created, and confirms that this thing is going to run every single Sunday at 9 a.m. And then it runs a full test. Instead of waiting for Sunday, it pretends today is the scheduled day and does a full intelligence scan on your competitors, exactly the way it will every week. The first thing it gives you is a super clean 60-second email style summary. Mine highlighted three major themes happening in my space: competitors launching small productized offers, more people using case style educational content, and everyone tightening their niche positioning. It's simple, scannable, and actually usable. Then it breaks everything down competitor by competitor. And again, this part is impressive. For each competitor, it gives you the top one or two updates they made and a little intelligence brief explaining what those updates actually mean. So you're not just seeing random posts, you're getting the strategy behind what they're doing. Things like this competitor tightened their niche to IT clients. This one is promoting tiny starter offers. This one is leaning hard into dev and marketing hybrid positioning. It tells you exactly how these things can impact your position in the market. Then, it gives you exactly three insights, labeled either opportunity or threat. For me, one insight was basically, hey, your competitors are using low friction entry offers. You might want to introduce one. Another one pointed out content style. Another pointed out niche positioning. Honestly, these insights feel like something a strategist would send you, not an AI. And the best part? It finishes by writing a 200-word LinkedIn post based on the biggest move of the week from all these insights. And these posts are good, educational, casual business tone, super shareable. You could literally copy and paste it into LinkedIn and look like you've been studying your industry all morning. And remember, this entire report, all these insights, that LinkedIn post, this is going to hit your email every single week automatically. And here's the part that makes this hack even crazier: you're not limited to just LinkedIn profiles. You can plug in any public competitor link: Instagram, TikTok, YouTube channels, personal websites, Twitter, whatever. The AI doesn't care what niche you're in. Whether you're a fitness coach, real estate agent, coaching consultant, digital marketer, literally anything, you just drop in your competitors' URLs and it will monitor them automatically every week. This is like having a 24/7 spy that watches your entire industry and delivers the highlights straight to your inbox. Great. So that's the entire system. One single prompt, and now you've got a weekly competitor intelligence report delivered straight to your inbox without you lifting a finger. You get a full email summary, updates from every competitor you've listed, strategic insights you can literally act on tomorrow, and a ready to post LinkedIn thought leadership piece. And the best part? This just keeps running forever. If you want me to run this same setup on your competitors, just drop their links in the comments. I'll pick a few and test them in a future video. Also, if you want the full prompt template, it's in the description below. You can copy and paste everything exactly the way I did it. Also, make sure to hit the like button. It really helps the video reach more people. And if you love automations like this, go watch my other video. Stop wasting time reading. Use this ChatGPT automation instead. That one will blow your mind just as much as this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.